Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this floating bird hide for deep water. It has a harness in and everything, so I don't have to hold myself up when I can't touch the bottom. And then we're going to be taking it out and seeing if we can get some shots. So stick around to the end of the video to see what shots we got. What I'm thinking I'm going to do for this hide is I'm just going to have, this is the back, I'm just going to square lash around this frame. Then after that I'll somehow attach 4 of these, or one on each corner, and then at the front we'll figure out some way to attach my gimbal head onto the front, and I'll make it removable and everything too, and also probably height adjustable. I'm not sure yet, I'm kind of making it up as I go along. And then we're going to build a bit of a roof as well, either out of tin or mesh, like camo mesh or whatever, and yeah, hopefully she floats. Okay, so we've had a bit of a change of plans again. These barrels are going to sit, I was going to sit them here, but instead we've moved them across into here because they'll be more stable. And this is the back, and then at the front I gotta go cut some more timber, but we're gonna sit the barrels outside the frame to make it more stable. Ideally all 4 would be outside the frame, but that was my fault, I forgot to do that, and I didn't cut the bits of wood long enough, so I gotta find more rope and cut more timber. Okay, so for some reason I completely forgot drills and screws existed when I did the square lashing. So for the frame I'm going to be using drills and screws. Now I'll take the square lashes off. Okay, so I just attached this drum with this ratchet strap thing, and it's pretty stable, like it's not going to go anywhere. I was going to use the rope, but I think now I'm just going to use ratchet straps. These are about $20 each. In BCF they're about $50 for 4, so not too bad. So what I'm thinking for the gimbal attachment at the front is basically a bolt down here, attaching this post to the upright, and then I'm going to drill different holes all the way up this for the different levels, because I don't know where it's going to sit yet in the water. So this will be more of a permanent adjustment for when I'm out, and I'll set it when I'm in the water. And if it's a really rough day, I can change this as well, so to stop splashes. And then I'm going to put a bit out here, attach this like here, and this gimbal. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to put this is the right size bolt to thread into the bottom of the gimbal, just like a tripod, and I'm going to put this through a bit of block of wood that'll go up here, and I can cut this to the right length if I need to as well, so that's kind of a second level of adjustment. Then the main level of adjustment I'll be using is just on the gimbal itself. Yeah, you can move this up and down, yeah, like that, and this will be like when I'm moving, I'll put this up like this, and when I'm shooting I'll put it down like this so I'm nice and close to the water. It's getting late, but I want to take it out tomorrow morning, so I gotta keep working into the dark. Okay, so last night it got dark and I couldn't show you guys finishing the hide. So this morning I've finished it and I'll run you through all of the features of it and what I did last night when it was too dark to film. So this is the hide. I just have it up on this thing. That's not part of the hide. I just have it up on that so you can see the underneath, which we'll need later on. First off, in the cockpit, the tripod goes here. Everything kind of built around here. This rest just here is for your elbows to kind of prop yourself up and stay steady. Then the roof, it comes out a fair way from where the camera is, and I did that so when it rains I can go out and stay nice and dry. Then put this harness on down here. It has 3 points of attachment to the frame. This one right here and the equivalent on the other side over there. Then it has this harness that goes around post here and down back to the harness, and you just wear the harness like a belt. And basically the 3 points of contact to the frame just even out your weight and make it sit more level in the water. Other bird hides you can just have this without the harness and you just walk along the bottom, but you can't go deeper than what you can't stand up in. But with this, I took it for a test run just before, just to set everything up without my camera gear. I went and it gets pretty deep out there, probably like 7 or so meters in the middle. I know that because it was empty not too long ago, so it gets pretty deep. I definitely can't stand up in it, and the harness was great. The only thing was, I noticed, you just move really slow. I was just like riding a bicycle with my legs to go somewhere, and you go super slow. So I went over, bought some flippers. These are all this gear I'm wearing. I know I look like a birding special forces guy, but all this gear is just from my spearfishing. Okay, without further ado, let's get out there. I'm in my bird hide. First time out in it. I've only got some, like, it came within almost arm length of a few cormorants, and there's a Brahmi kite circling around. I've already got some shots of it, but I could do better, of course, always. This hide works way better than I thought it would. And my battery's almost dead on my camera. There's ducks quite close I could take pictures of, but I'm saving it for the Brahmi kite, because he doesn't come here too often, so he's just grooming a bit. I'm trying to sneak up on his perch. He perches and he flies around and swoops like ducks and stuff. I think he's trying to get the ducklings, I think. That'd be an epic shot if I got it, but it also would cost a duckling, so, you know. Can't believe this is first time in my hide. And I get a Brahmi, whatever. I just got a video. Now I've got to go closer for a picture.
you everyone for watching, especially if you got this far into the video. If you liked this video, I'd appreciate it if you considered subscribing down below, and also leave a like and a comment on anything, any improvements that you would have made, or anything you would have done differently on the bird hide build. I'll probably do a 1 month update or something like that on this hide, so keep an eye out for that one. See ya!